Hey there! Welcome to a new video on the digital lens. Early this month, Google introduced 3 new features for Chrome for PCs, leveraging the latest AI models, including Gemini, to enhance their browser's capabilities. At the time of making this video, only one feature is available globally, so today we'll be checking out how you can enable and use the all-new Google Lens. For those unfamiliar with Google Lens, let me fill you in. This is a powerful tool that can reverse image search, meaning find the source of the image you have uploaded, identify objects and locations, copy and translate text from images, and more. However, the new update that you're about to see could make searching even more convenient, as you won't need to navigate away from your current page to perform a Google search. Building on the success of the Circle to Search feature on mobile devices, Google has introduced a similar feature called Drag to Search for PCs. Instead of taking a photo to analyze it with Lens, you can simply select and drag the area you want to look up. Now, before we get into the functioning part, let's enable this feature. Head over to the experimental page, that is the Chrome flags, where you can access the upcoming and advanced settings for Chrome that are available. Here, search for Lens overlay. This feature is likely set to default, so change it to enabled. If you don't see this option, make sure your Chrome is up to date. After that, you'll need to relaunch your browser. Now let's use the new Google Lens to identify the image in the background. To use it, click on the lens icon in the address bar. Then, draw a box around the subject you're curious about. Type in your question and notice something new? Google's Gemini AI assistant will now respond to your query. Google Lens doesn't just tell you what something is, it provides deeper insights and related information. Let's consider another example. Here's a beautiful photo of a bird called the pea-eater, enjoying what looks like rain. Notice anything different in the address bar? The lens icon, which was visible earlier, has gone. Don't worry, you can still access it. The existing method is to right-click. However, you can simply click anywhere on the address bar and the lens icon will pop up. Let's see if it can identify this bird. When you select lens, you can wait for a few seconds for the AI to recognize the subject and highlight it, or draw a box around what it thinks you're interested in. Now, I'm interested in knowing where this bird can be found. Turns out I learned something new today. Lastly, this feature works well with the photos you have taken. Let's put it to a test. Here's a picture from my visit to the Crown of Jewels in London a few years ago. Using Google Lens, we can learn about the rich history behind such iconic locations. Thanks, Gemini. With the power of AI, there are endless possibilities to it, and I can assure you, the more you start using them, the more you will enjoy. There you have it. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please share this with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.